Good morning, class. Now, we are going to study what is PPE, especially PPE used in small, shielded metal arc welding. Let's start with the word PPE. Okay, PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment, meaning personal, not by group, not by pair, but your own protective equipment. So let's define what is wielding shield or helmet. It is used to protect our face and eyes from the arc rays and heat and the spatter from the molten metal. The arc is viewed through a filter which reduces the intensity of radiation but allows a safe amount of light to pass for viewing the weld pool and end of the electrode. Ang welding shield kasi natin or welding helmet, meron siyang two lens. Number one, dark glass. Ikalawa, clear lens. So yung dark glass, ito yung kailangan na protection natin sa mata para hindi tayo mabulag. Hindi naman agad mabubulag. Una, sasakit yung mata natin, and then mamumula. But with the use of this dark glass, hindi na mangyayari sa mata natin yon. And with this dark glass, kaya nating makita kahit na mag-spark na yung ating electrode sa bakal. So ito yung magiging protection natin mula sa arc rays, mula sa heat, and the spatter na pwedeng tumasik sa mata natin. Okay? Meron dalawang klase ng helmet. Merong helmet type, meaning sinusuot sa ulo, okay, for the protection of our whole head na wala na tayong hawakan kasi ikakabit na lang. Another one, handheld type. Ibig sabihin, hawakan mo siya gamit ang iyong kamay. Handheld shield. Yan. Merong ibang klase ng handheld shield na wala ng clear glass. Meron namang parehas, kagaya ng nasa picture, may dark glass and may clear glass. Next one, leather jacket. It's just a jacket. Ang kaibahan lang, it is made of chrome leather and prevent the entry of spark between our clothes and body. Sometimes we allow to use jacket made of maong. Okay, pag wala naman, maganda sana leather para hindi tayo mapaso, hindi tayo ma-aksidente, hindi tayo makuryente. Okay? So, yan ang itsura ng leather jacket. Gawa siya sa leather o balat. Another naman, apron. Kaibahan lang niya, apron, yung itsura niya, okay, magaan siya, hindi siya mainit. Still made of leather. Made of chrome leather and provide a welder with complete protection of his chest to mid-calf from sparks and hot metal. Eh, pag mabilisan lang naman and kunti lang naman yung gagawin, okay lang yung leather apron. Pwede rin, especially pag nag-grind. But then, kung malaki yung gagawin natin project, maganda ay welding jacket. Next, welding gloves. Same, made of leather din to. Chrome leather and protect our hands from heat, spatter, and radiations. Another PPE, face shield. It is best for general protection because it can be worn under an arc welding helmet. So face shield, usually ginagamit natin siya during grinder. Pag welding, hindi na pwede. So thickness niya, kapal 2 millimeter, and then 32 centimeter naman yung haba. Next, leggings or welding leggings. These are made from leather to protect the legs and feet. Okay? Yung ibang type, pinapatong lang sa pantalon. Meron na bang other type na sinusuot talaga? Okay, sa picture natin, sinusuot siya and then open sa likod. Kasi ang kailangan lang naman may protection yung harap. Kasi doon naman tayo nakaharap sa welding machine natin, sa bakal na i-weld natin. Same, made from leather. Another, protective sleeves. Okay? These are made of leather to protect our arms. Same lang din, sinusuot lang. From the name itself, protection sa ating sleeve. Okay? Protection sa ating kamay, sa ating braso. Another, protective coverall. Mas maganda to. Mukha nga lang siyang pangsiman, pero overall naman ang protection niya. Made from light asbestos coated with aluminum to protect the whole body during welding. Yan. Chest, kamay, paa, protektado. Okay? Ang disadvantage lang, mainit sa katawan. But then, isahang suotan na lang. Hindi ka natanggal suot, isahan na lang. Kahit maghapon ka mag-weld, okay? As long as na hindi nabubutas yung ating PPE, safe ka dyan. Basta ito ang suot mo. Protective coverall. Again, disadvantage niya lang, medyo mainit. Next one, welding cushions. Okay? Unan, made from leather for sitting and kneeling beside the workpiece as protection against cold. Usually kasi pagdating nyo ng grade 12, pag meron na kayong overhead, okay, position, meaning nakatingala na, or di kaya pag mababa naman yung bakal na i-weld natin, mababa yung position, kailangan nating humiga, yumuko, or umupo, masakit sa tuhod pag direct sa semento. Diyan natin magagamit ang welding cushion, patungan. Okay? Pag tayo nakaupo or nakaluhod na position sa mababang bagay nating wini-weld o bakal, kailangan natin ng cushion. Leather siya para hindi naman siya mabutas. Mabagsakan man ng spark, okay pa rin. Next, welding spots. Yan. Para naman siyang ah, sinusuot, ang tawag doon? Para siyang bota. Okay? Made of chrome leather and protect our feet from spatter. So, meron ding ibang klase ng spot. Merong welding spot na pinapatong lang sa sapatos at meron namang parang bota. Isusot mo na talaga siya. Papasok mo lang yung paa mo. Para safe ang buong paa mo, pati yung binti. Hindi mapasok, hindi makuryente. Okay? Next, safety shoes. Ito yung common. Have heat-resistant soles and impact-resistant toes. From safety shoes, have metal insoles. Some safety shoes have metal insoles, ayan, while others protect workers from different types of electrical hazard. From the name itself, safety shoes, kasi meron siyang metal part sa kanyang unahang bahagi. So, para maprotektahan ng ating paa. Okay? Metal insoles. And then, protection din to para hindi tayo makuryente. Maapakan man natin yung live wire, makaapak man tayo ng nabalatang wire, hindi tayo makuryente. Hindi tayo magkakaroon ng electric shock. Ganon din, pag nakapak tayo ng bubog, thumbtacks, hindi tayo masusugatan. Air muff. Okay? Used for ear coverings and are connected by a flexible band and worn as protection against extreme noise. Saan natin to ginagamit? Usually pag nag-grind tayo. Okay, para hindi naman tayo mabingi. Sometimes, during welding, pwede naman, as long as na yung gamit nyo ay handheld helmet. Kasi pag nakasuot ka ng full face welding helmet, hindi mo na may susot yung air muff. Kaya naman usually ginagamit to pa grinding kasi mas maingay ang grinder. Air plugs, o another air protection to. A pair of device that is meant to be inserted in the air canal to protect the wearer's ears from loud noise or instruction. Again, PPE stands for Personal Protective Equipment. Pangit naman pag maghiraman pa tayo ng air plugs. Paano kung hindi nakapaglinis ng tenga? Ang unang gumamit, ipapasok mo rin sa tenga mo. So the function is to protect our ears from loud noise para hindi naman tayo mabingi. Okay, so much for that. Thank you.